Hey guys, so what I have here is a Norfolk and Western 611 train whistle. It's made out of wood, and it is made by Maple Landmark. It's got a beautiful, distinct sound to it. It's from the Virginia Museum of Transportation, and these are $8.99 with the $10 shipping. If anybody wants one, here's how it sounds. That's how it sounds. It don't sound like the baritone of 611, but it's almost similar to that. But it is nice. It's got the, as you can see on the passenger car, it's got Norfolk and Western. The coal tender has Norfolk and Western, and the engine has 611 on it, which you can barely see, but it's in gold. You can tell. And this is a fun wooden train whistle. I bought one for myself to see how it actually sounds and how it feels. And it's made out of birch, plywood, and pine mixed together as one whistle. And it's really nice, and it's high quality. It's made in Middleburg, Vermont, USA of 2023. So if anybody wants one of these, I will send you guys a link, or you can actually jump online, type in 611 train whistle or 611 wooden train whistle, and it will show up as these right here. But if you guys want to hear the whistle again, I will actually blow it right now. As you can see, that's how it sounds. It is a beautiful, distinct sound. I really like it. So yeah, if anybody wants, like I said, if anybody wants one of these train whistles, all you got to do is type in the gift shop of a Virginia Museum of Transportation, or you can jump on Safari and type in 611 wooden train whistle. It would show up these right here, and it's, like I said, it's $8.99 with a $10 shipping. $8.99 with a $10 shipping, which is a total of $20. So if anybody wants one, just please let me know, and I will actually help you find one of these. Okay, I will see you later pretty soon. And bye for now.